Nearly 2 years after the deadliest U.S. wildfire in over a century ravaged Maui, killing 102, the University of Hawaii has released the state's largest post-disaster health study. CBS's Carter Evans, who covered the Maui fire, joins us from Los Angeles. Carter, what did the study show?
Well, 2 years after this wildfire that essentially wiped out Lahaina, those survivors are still struggling, especially when it comes to mental health. Now, researchers have been tracking about 2,000 people, and half of the adults still show signs of depression. 25% are struggling with moderate to severe anxiety, and suicidal thoughts have quadrupled since before the fire. The stress is also taking a toll on their physical health. Almost 75% of adults have elevated blood pressure now, and a quarter of them show reduced lung function, and that's likely linked to the wildfire smoke.
What about kids in this report?
Yeah, the fire has taken a huge toll on kids' mental health. This study followed about 200 children, and more than half of them screened positive for depression. About 45% are also showing signs of PTSD. And interestingly, researchers noted that as stability in their lives improves, deeper psychological issues are surfacing. About a third of the kids also have elevated blood pressure, and almost a quarter of them have impaired lung function. By the way, girls seem to have slightly more lung issues than boys.
Huh. And Carter, is there any recommendation made by this report?
So the number one recommendation is go to the doctor, even if you feel fine. People may not notice that their blood pressure has risen. Medical professionals can also help with a treatment plan for any mental trauma. My neighborhood, this is my neighborhood here. It almost burned to the ground in the Palisades fire. And when I talk to people in my community, there is a lot of anger right now. They're very angry over how this was handled. But for many, the sadness is really starting to set in now as people realize it's going to take years before things return to anything close to normal here. For example, on Maui, almost 2 years later, about half of the fire survivors are still in temporary housing.